Hello guys, let's learn A for apple, B for ball, and these are colors. Let's learn some colors name. These are colors: blue color, pink color, red color, yellow color, green color, orange color, sky blue color, light green color, brown color, pink color, violet color, and black color. These are colors. Let's learn A to Z. Letter A. A for apple. This is letter A. A is for apple. Letter B. B for ball. B is for ball. Letter B. Letter C. C is for cat. C is for cat. Next is letter D. D is for dog. D is for dog. This is letter D. Which letter is this? This is letter D. D is for dog. Next is E. Letter E. E is for elephant. E is for elephant. This is letter E. Next is F. F is for fish. F is for fish. Fish. This is letter F. Which letter is this? Letter F. Next is G. G for gorilla. G for gorilla. This is letter G. Next is H. H is for hen. H is for hen. Next is I. I is for ice cream. Next is Z. J is for juice. Next is K. K is for kite. K is for kite. L. L is for lion. L is for lion. Next is M. M is for monkey. M is for monkey. Next is N. N is for nose. This is letter N. Next is O. O is for orange. O is for orange. Next is P. P is for parrot. Q. Q is for queen. R. R is for rose. R is for rose. Next is S. S is for snake. Snake. T. T is for tiger. T is for tiger. U. U is for umbrella. This is letter U. Next is V. V is for van. V is for van. Next is W. W is for watch. This is letter W. Next is X. X is for xylophone. Next is Y. Y is for yak. This is letter Y. And last one is Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Bye bye. Please like and subscribe my channel.